ho, ho. You've been so good this year that I brought you something I know you've always wanted. It's a self-warming mug that keeps your coffee the perfect temperature all day.
It's perfect. Thank you so much, Santa.
Ho, 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 Sarah. You've been so naughty this year that I brought you something I know you'll absolutely hate. A pair of lime green Crocs with jingling bells and built-in lights.
Seriously, Crocs? Ugh, I can't wear them.
That video you just watched was generated using ChatGPT app. Yes, it just got an update and you don't want to miss this. You can now use ChatGPT to generate a couple of seconds video and also get access to a lot more feature. So do well to watch the video to the end. Don't go nowhere. Merry Christmas and welcome back to Zara Studio. Without further ado, let's just dive right in. I open my ChatGPT app and this is the very first thing I see. Create better and faster images, edit photos, make images of yourself and try new styles. At the top left corner, you see this new button called images. If your app is not up to date, you will not find it. Now click on images at the middle of your screen and you see this particular create a video button. Scroll down and you see more amazing styles that you can create. The doodle, artwork, school, pop, and so many others. And you can see this discover something new as well. You can create an holiday card, create a coloring page, and style me. This is my images. These are all the images I have been generating since I started using ChatGPT on this particular account. And I love the fact that with this new update, all these images are in one place and I can download it, go back to it, edit it, and do whatever I like to it. This is such an amazing update. I really love this. Now let's just go back up and generate the video. Easy peasy. Now click on create a video at the middle of your screen and wait a few seconds for this to load. Once it loads, it displays this particular page and you see choose selfie or take selfie. So I'm going to be using the choose selfie option to attach an image from my phone's gallery. So just go to your phone and attach any image of your choice. When you want to create this video, it automatically picks the name on your account. So the name on your account that is showing at the bottom left corner of your ChatGPT is what it will automatically pick for you. So I have uploaded the image and you don't need to give it a prompt at all. Just click on this button that says use image and wait a couple of seconds. You will notice that this video you want to generate is powered by Sora 2, and you know Sora is also from the creators of ChatGPT. The video is ready, guys, and this is what we have.
Oh, Rukayat, you've been so good this year that I brought you something I know you've always wanted. It's a little barista robot that delivers lattes and compliments.
No way, that's amazing. I love it.
It actually used the picture that we uploaded and it gave us this. It is fantastic. You can just click on the download button and download this onto your device, or you click on the share button and share it to whoever you want to share it to. Now let's go back to test other features, and I'm going to be using create this holiday card button right here. I'll click on it and I'll upload a picture of my desire. So I'll be using one of my avatar and let's wait for this to generate. And this is what we have. This is super amazing. It is beautiful. It didn't change anything from my face. It is absolutely stunning and I love it. Just download this onto your device and it is just good and ready to use. Now let's test out another feature and see what it looks like. I'm going to be trying out the sketch feature right here and I'll upload my desired image. Once that is done, it's just take a couple of seconds and before you know it, your sketch is ready. And this is the prompt. It automatically generated that for me. And guys, look at it. Literally looked as if somebody made a sketch of this in real life. That is fantastic. If you don't have any of this feature, it means that your app is not updated. So go to your phone store and make sure your app is up to date and explore. Try out so many amazing features that ChatGPT has gotten and you can give us your feedback in the comment section. I'm sure you got value from this video. Thank you so much for your massive support on this channel all through the time. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you and I wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2026. I'll see you in my next video. But let's just wish each other Merry Christmas in the comment section, and I'll be there to say hi.